Hi, it's Linda from Homeschooling 6, and today I have something pretty special to share with you all. This is Giving Jesus for Christmas, and it says a family tradition. This is created by Lana, and you could go to givingjesus.com, and that's where you can purchase this. And there's also a giveaway for the month of July on her website, so be sure to check that out, and I will put the link below. But I wanted to share with you all with this. Let me just go ahead and go to the website and read a little bit about it. It says, Giving Jesus for Christmas kits contain a booklet with a series of 10 wrapped gifts to be opened each day beginning on December 16th. Each day for 10 days before Christmas, beginning on December 16th, you and your children will read the book and follow along on each day with the gift to open, starting with day 1, the announcement, and then completing on December 25th, Christmas Day, with Jesus is born. And I'll go ahead and open it. I'm not going to open all the gifts today. I'm actually going to do another video once I have them all opened. And on social media, Instagram and Facebook, I will be unwrapping one a day and sharing that with you. So I will go ahead and post the social media links below. And then I will have another video. But this is how it looks when you get it. And she wraps, this box is really nice to be able to save everything once you're done. It's very sturdy. And when you do get it, the way I got it anyway, this was wrapped in like brown paper. So there won't be any labels on your box. So it's a beautiful box that you can save. And this is how it looks when you open it. And then this is the booklet that I was reading about. And then here's all the gifts in there. They are wrapped up beautifully. I'd have to take a wrapping class to wrap it up like this. But these are the gifts. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the gifts. Again, I'm only going to unwrap one. This is the booklet. And in the booklet, there's a letter from Lana. And then after that, there are the letters from Jesus. So the bells on Christmas Day, so it has that, and then the letter on this side. And then you would read day 1, and that's the announcement for day 1. And then here's Away in the Manger. Y'all could sing some Christmas carols. And then on day 2, I'm not going to go through the whole booklet, but on day 2 is the manger. And just really quick, I'll read a few sentences. It says, I am coming to visit you on Christmas Day, and it is going to be my birthday. And then it goes on. It says, my mom and dad are bringing me to Bethlehem to be born. And then it has some scripture right here. Because there's no room in the inn today, I am giving you a stable to prepare for my birth. And then it goes on, and then it says Jesus at the bottom. And then there's one for each gift, all the way till day 10. And it's going to be Happy Birthday, Jesus, on day 10. So let's go ahead and look at the gifts. So they're also beautifully wrapped. This is day 1. Day 2. Day 3. Can you see how it has the day 3 on there? And here's day 4. And let's see, 5 and 6. Here's 5 and 6. They're all just so beautifully wrapped. And day 7, 8, 9, and then you get to 10. So let's go ahead and open day 1. And again, I will start opening the rest of them and sharing with you on social media. And again, I'll make another video. So let me open this. I don't want to ruin the paper. Are you one of those people who just go through and rip the paper, or are you one that kind of opens it where you're not destroying the paper. I'm both. I think with this one, I want to keep it pretty, just in case I need to take a few pictures of it later. But sometimes I will just go through and dive right in for just the fun of it with my kids to just rip it and throw it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, got that last piece. So then it's in this. Okay, this one I'll just have fun with. Yay! Okay, so this is what you will get when you open for day 1. It says Peace on Earth. And then there are these little Velcro things. And so with each one that you open, you'll be able to attach, when you open the gift, there will be the little gift in there, and then you will attach it to this board. So like for day 1, it will be the manger. Maybe that's what will go right here. So isn't that nice? And you can hang this up somewhere in your house where it will be seen, and then you go through the 10 days. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I know it's July and we still have, what is it, six months left, but I'm actually excited about doing this right now for you all. I'm thankful for Lana for sending this to me, because I've always wanted to do like a Christmas in the middle of the year, just to, you know, because during December it gets really busy. But so this will be neat. I'm going to read the letters every day with the kids, and then we're going to add it to here. And my kids are older. My kids are teens, but you know what? It's still fun. And we'll just we'll do this and read the letters. So anyway, that's about it. So go ahead and visit it's givingjesus.com, and again, I'll have all that information below. And this one's the embroidery edition. Can't speak. You know, when I was little, I couldn't say cinnamon. So anyway, yeah, go ahead and visit her site and enter the giveaway. There's a giveaway right now too. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all have a great day.